Our first hack is how to create intervals on your watch. So you're going to go into the run section, go into the settings, and then scroll down to training. From here, you're going to scroll down to intervals and then select structured repeats. And this is where we're going to make these adjustments. So click into it, go to edit workout, and then you can change what you want your intervals to be. So we're choosing a distance of 400 meters, and then you can scroll down and change the type if you wanted to do minutes or an open workout instead. From here, you can do the same for rest, so you can change the duration, so minutes of rest. And if you wanted to change the type of rest, you can scroll down and look into that as well if you wanted to do distance. Change how many repeats you want to do. So today we're just going to be doing 10 400 meter repeats. And then you can toggle if you want warm up on or off. Once that's finished, you can scroll back and click in, and then you can do your workout. Our next hack is how to customize the data screens that you read as you run. So go into your run settings section and then go into data screens. From here, click the top right button and go into layout. And this will give you lots of different layouts of what the screen can look like as you run. So once you've found the one you like, go down and click data fields. And now we can adjust these. So you've got timer, you've got distance, you've got pace fields, and you've got speed fields, and a few others as well. So for this top section, we're going to change it into a pace speed, and we're just going to select it as our pace in real time. Then we scroll down to the next one and we can choose the field that we want. So we'll look in the distance fields, and you can see all these different options that they provide us, but we're just going to keep it as overall distance. Then the last one, we're going to scroll down and we'll have a look in the heart rate fields. And from here, you can see they give you lots of different options, and we're just going to select it as our average heart rate across the whole run. Once you finish that, then you can just click the bottom right button to select out of it. And then you can look at some more options. So if you scroll down, you can reorder what position you want it on the screen of the watch as you run. And once you've finished all that, you can scroll down and click done. And then you're right to start your run. And then once you start your run, you can scroll down to where you put that data screen. So we put it down at the bottom and we can enjoy all that nice data. Our next hack is how to make a run-walk interval split. So you're going to go back into your run settings, go into there and then go down to alerts and then add new alert. You can scroll down to where it says run walk, and then this is where you can set the time for each of the intervals. So for our run, we're going to run for 4 minutes and we'll set that. And then for our walking, we're just going to set it for 1 minute. And then if you go back to that run screen, you can check that your intervals are correct, and then you can go back to the home screen and start your run. And it'll alert you every time you need to run and every time you need to walk. Our last hack is how to create intervals on your app and send them to your watch. So go into the training and planning section, go into workouts, and then click create a workout. And we're going to go into the run section in this area. From here, all these steps are going to appear. And so this is where you're going to create this workout. So you can go into the warm-up section and you can change the duration type to be what you want. So this could be a time-based or distance-based. But for the purpose of this one, we're going to do a 4-minute running warm-up. Once that's finished, you can go back and then we're going to add our repeat. So this is what our work rest component will be. And we're just going to delete that first initial run that was there because we won't be needing it. Then you can change the number of times you want to repeat your interval. So we're going to do 8 repeats, and now we're going to change the interval itself. So the work component, we're going to do a distance-based workout of 400 meters. So we're just going to set it to the 400 meters. If you wanted to do time, you'd go into the duration type and change that. Next up is changing the recovery or the rest of the interval, and we're going to go into duration type, and we're going to just keep it as a time-based rest. And then we're going to click into the duration and change it to 2 minutes. Once we've done that, we're going to go back to the home screen, and then we're going to change our cooldown. So again, you can click into the duration type and change it to what you want your cooldown to be. But for the purpose of today, we're going to leave it as a 1 kilometer cooldown. So we'll leave it there, click done, and then we'll head back to the main section to review our workout. From here, we're going to click save up the top right-hand corner and name our workout. So we're just going to name it 400s, click save, and then you're going to click back into the workout itself. And then up the top right, you're going to click that button to send it over to your watch. So click on your watch that's already connected. And then once you see this green tick, you'll just have to go back and sync your app so that it sends it over to your watch. Once you've grabbed your watch, then you can go into the run section of your watch, get rid of the suggestion, and then scroll up into your options, go into workouts, and then you can scroll down and find the workout that you've just created and sent over. Click into it, click do workout, and then once you start your timer, it's going to guide you through that interval. Enjoy it.